Food. Today we are going to make Nigeria food. We call it bitterleaf soup or onugbu soup. If you are familiar with this thing, you know that you got to use your ede, cocoyam and akwu palm fruit. So you boil the two together till it become tender. When I found out that the cocoyam I bought was small, like it was little, I had to pound this achi so it will help me to thicken, to help the soup to thicken more. As I was waiting for the palm fruit and my cocoyam to get tender, I tried to pound this achi so that I tried to pound it to a fine pieces. Though I don't have blender, I use my mortar and pestle to pound it. I went to check my cocoyam and I found out that it is already tender. I had to remove the back of the cocoyam, the back, and pound the cocoyam together with the achi. Some people don use cocoyam in preparing this bitter leaf soup. They will prefer achi, but me, I use cocoyam. I just added this achi because the cocoyam is small, though I bought this cocoyam for 1000 naira. When I'm done with the cocoyam, I had to move over to the palm fruit. You do the palm fruit like this so that you will be able to extract the liquid from the palm fruit, because we are going to use the liquid and not the chaff or the seed. We are using only the liquid. And after pounding like this, you use warm water to extract the liquid. I'm done extracting the liquid. I have to sieve it so that I can be able to sieve out any chaff remaining inside that liquid. Most people don go through the stress of using palm fruit. They will just buy palm oil. So when I'm done extracting the palm fruit, I went ahead with my cocoyam. I added the cocoyam bit by bit so that it will be able to dissolve very easily and faster, as you can see. If you want a stress-free this thing, you don't need to use palm fruit. You just use your red oil, because palm fruit, you cook the palm fruit, you pound it, you extract, you wash everything. It's just stressful. But if you don't want to use it like that, you use palm oil. When I'm done with the palm fruit, I went in with my okporoko stock fish. So it depends on the protein you want to use, but stock fish is good while cooking your bitter leaf. You add the stock fish. I bought stock fish for this food, and I didn't buy meat. I just bought stock fish and one dry fish like that. I washed the fish thoroughly with hot water and salt to be able to remove the sand, the tiny sands that will be inside the fish. So I had to wash them with hot water and salt. I left it to boil, then I went ahead to pound my crayfish and fresh pepper. I prefer using fresh pepper while making onugbu soup, while others prefer using dry pepper. It is your choice though. So when the soup is already boiling, I went in with my red pepper, grounded red pepper and crayfish. This is the game changer in this onugbu soup. It is called ogiri ugba. Only Igbos down in this Nigeria will know ogiri ugba. So if you are making onugbu soup without this ogiri, God, I don't know what you are doing. Though some people say that ogiri has one kind smell like that, but it is a game changer in onugbu soup. I went in with salt to give it a taste. So I went in with the knorr cube, with the cube. I went in with the cube, knorr cube, maggi cube, what will I call it? So look at this onugbu. If you buy onugbu from the market, it will still be bitter, so you have to wash it by yourself to wash out those bitterness before adding it to your soup, so that your soup will not be bitter. So when I was done washing the bitter leaf, I had to add it inside my pot because my food is already ready, almost ready. Yes, our food is ready. Which swallow are you going to use? Are you going to use Santana, Apple, Gare, swallow, any swallow?